guys, today we're gonna play Grow a Garden. And if you're new on this channel, please like and subscribe. I am trying to be at 2,000 likes, and if I reach 2,000 likes, I will face reveal. And if you really want this blood kiwi, you can just like and subscribe and comment what's your username. And also, oh yeah, I forgot about this. I got this crate by the summer pack. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a swing. Nice. And yeah, this is my garden. This is this is the reason why I have so much tomatoes here is because like when I was like in a private server, like my main goal was to harvest very so much tomatoes and carrots. So yeah, if you are new on this channel, please like and subscribe. It will help me. And yeah, I really like this sunflower because like it's very big and it gives you a lot of money. Not a lot of money, but the money is fine to me. Nice. Alright. And also, if you want a moon cat, please comment and like and subscribe and comment your new username on Roblox. Shocked. Okay. Uh, oh, look at this shocked tomato. And also wind shocked. And also rainbow. Whoa. That's... yeah. The seed shop is in stock. Something is in stock. Oh, I can get this carrot seed. These people are yapping in the comments, in the chat. Okay, let me plant my tomato next to my other tomatoes. What am I doing now? Yeah. 2 tomatoes, actually. Okay, this is about it. Please like and subscribe again. Don't hate on this video, please. And I will see you next time. Bye.